What's up, YouTube? So a little bit change of pace. It was time for us to get some motorcycle lifts. As you guys can see, we have these cool little scissor lifts that we've been wheeling around the shop. Now, the only reason we've been using those is, number one, they're convenient. They're easy to move around, but our old shop, we did not have enough floor space for motorcycle lifts. I mean, we were literally just shimmying the old one around all the time, just trying to get it out of the way. So we ended up getting rid of our old lift. We came to Tucson. We have 7,000 square feet now, and most of it is actually open floor. So it was time to get some lifts. I did some research on the internet. It's really hard to get stuff right now due to, I don't know, the excuse of COVID back order. I really don't know what's going on. A lot of these are made overseas, so it is what it is. But I found some from BENDPAK, so I'm gonna show you guys how they are, how they went together, and I guess give you a little bit of a review on it. So anybody looking for motorcycle lift, ATV lift, this is for you. Found this on the BENDPAK.com website. So you go over to shop equipment, motorcycle lifts. And again, I'm not trying to make this too lengthy of a video. I was just actually impressed with the quality of this thing for the price. So $12.35 and free shipping, and I apologize for the quality of the footage. I just wanted to show you guys the website. I chose this guy just, I guess, for the price. It looked a little bit, I guess, wider than this one. The specs did say this one was just as wide, but this thing, it's pretty traditional style. Looks like there's no reason this wouldn't work and last long term for us. It was also similar to our old style lift, so we ended up ordering 2 of these, and let's get into the video. Just hanging out at FedEx. They don't have enough drivers to deliver our lifts, so we're just gonna come get them.
You like those custom fucking chains there, bud? You gotta fucking bang off the fucking ground. Well, you gotta wrap it.
Yeah, you gotta rotate them.
No, I just feel like, oh, you like fucking close.
Got Amazon recording us. What? That's your buddy, right?
Yeah.
That's funny. Not bad. Not bad.
Can you find the instructions so I can throw them away?
Right. Oh, I'm not really proud of this, but made in China to America. Get that on small jobs. Oh man. Little nail action.
Wet through.
Nope, can't be building quads on the floor, that's for sure. What happened, Alex?
I couldn't see shit. This thing is all
Yeah,
the way
I hooked to
down.
the bolt here.
It's fine.
What's going on here?
Why is it the same
How is
thread?
it the same thread though? There we go. Probably.
I'm a dirt bike mechanic.
Sitting here like, this fucker ain't going anywhere. He's like, I only work on car lifts.
Violent.
There's our press brake cylinder. Yep, doing a YouTube review. So what do you think so far, other than the sketchy hardware?
It's not bad at all.
Not bad, not bad. Just got to add a washer here and there. Yeah, not a bad little guy. Definitely decided to put a bike on it, see how it is.
Over here picking up trash and found the missing hardware.
There it is. They did good. They did good. Sweet. Not going anywhere. It's a lot easier than being on the floor.
What? Can I boost her up?
Go for it.
I'm scared.
A little slow. Can't see the other way, maybe?
Definitely the other way.
Oh, you're a video. Go ahead. You're good. You're good video. Pull a little red knob down. That's it. Alrighty guys, so we got these things all put together. I'm impressed with the quality of these. The powder coat's pretty decent. You know, for what it is, the metal, it's not crazy thin. I mean, it feels pretty sturdy for what it is. I mean, we're just lifting a small dirt bike, small three-wheeler, an ATV. Other than that, I mean, this thing, it's got the dropout in the back. The ramp's pretty decent that came with it. This thing is extremely touchy. If you're worried about getting one that's the air cylinder, how long it's going to take to go up, I mean, this thing literally is so touchy. It shoots right up in the air crazy fast. So you just got a little lockdown lever. And again, I'm really just making this video because I couldn't find anything on these lifts. They had a video on their website, and I thought it would make sense to show you guys another option out there. Now you're wondering why I have a 2x4 right here. I have this thing kicked over wider for the three-wheeler tires and the big wheel tires. So if you are gonna put a fatter tire in here, just kick it over on the farther bolt hole. So I ended up sticking the Sierra 500 build back up here, so I just threw a 2x4 on there for now. Yeah guys, this thing is not too bad. I'm impressed with it. If you guys are looking for a lift for under 1,300 bucks, I mean, this is definitely the way to go. They had it in stock, ready to ship. We ordered 2 of them. If you guys like reviews, you have any questions about tools we use, any shop equipment from milling machines, lathe, plasma tables, tube cutters, I mean, snap-on boxes. We have a little bit of everything in this shop, so definitely comment below if you guys want to see some more tool reviews. To me, this is an important tool in the shop, and like I said, it's just a little nicer than crawling around on the floor. It's good to get these things up in the air, and we did always have this at our old building. I'd say a good couple years ago. And again, we did sell our old lift just because we were just trying to shimmy the thing around the small shop that we had, and we ran out of floor space. But this is what we were using before. Now these are handy. I mean, we love them. Every time a frame comes out of powder, we're gonna basically get it on here, get the thing rolling, wheel it up on the lift, and do final assembly. All the fluids, all the bolt checks, everything's gonna get done on these lifts. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys, again, if you guys want to see more reviews on certain products that we use, comment below. Let me know what you think. This is just, I guess, a little change of pace for us, and I want to see what you guys think. So thanks for the support. Thanks for the follows. I just want to let you guys know at 50,000 subscribers, we are going to be giving away a big wheel kit or a trike kit. It's up to the winner. So definitely subscribe to this channel. If you like, again, if you like tool reviews, you want to see more, comment below. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the final videos of the 500 builds. We have the Sierra 500 dirt bike, and of course the RM Trizilla dirt bike, and a whole handful of other bikes coming together. Stay tuned, guys. Again, thanks for the support.